Government of Canada is committing today to acquire 65 Joint Strike Fighter F-35 Lightning II aircraft.
Lightning II aircraft is currently undergoing testing in one of the sea-level test cells at Arnold. Since late June, a newly designed fan rotor installed in the engine, if you will, some life, that simulates what it would have out in the field, said test manager conditions, but it also includes RAM. The term RAM refers to the use of test facility compressors to increase the engine inlet pressure and temperature to more closely simulate actual flight conditions. Corona said RAM simulates high-speed travel at a low altitude, allowing engineers to assess how these conditions impact the engine and its components. AMT does put wear and tear on the engine that you would see in operation. Also underwent testing last year to cover pre-AMT objectives. That testing concluded in late 2018, around 6 months before the AMT involving the newly designed fan rotor began. Testing of the F-135, which is sponsored by the F-35 Joint Program Office, is set to continue into 2020, running ahead of schedule and under budget, he said. I think the crews really need to be commended for that, everybody associated with this project. They have also been very alert and notified the proper authorities when something needed attention so that it was remedied in a timely fashion. Overall, it has been an outstanding job by everybody on this project. Prior to the testing that began last year, the F-135 program had tested well over 5,500 hours in various test cells across AEDC.
Now the game was real, even if the plane still wasn't. At Lockheed Martin's factory in Fort Worth, Texas, they buckled down to the hard work of designing their new fighter. But the PR department was materials and outfitted with revolutionary electronics that would give pilots a 360-degree view. Like some omniscient deity, this would be a plane able to see everything, but never be seen.
With complete interoperability.
In the years that followed Canada's decision to join the F-35 program, one promise was always clear. Before making any decision to buy the plane, the government would conduct a fair and open competition.